It's November 2022. We are back at the largest gun show in the world, the Wanamaker's Tulsa Arms Show. Gonna chat with some cool people, gonna look at some cool stuff. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. We are here, Celtic Holsters with Scot.
How you doing, buddy?
Hey, buddy. And yeah, we're not gonna talk holsters today. We're gonna talk other leather, cool leather stuff. No whips and chains, I don't think. But
not yet. No, we been making belts for a while in the shop. So we went to some motorcycle events this year. Had some people ask us to do custom wallets.
No, I don't believe there's any leather at a motorcycle.
No, none at all. No. So we came up with your regular long wallet. This is Italian oil tan leather with ostrich leg accent, and then we can customize the inside on how many credit card slots you want, ID slot, 2 long bill slots. Then we have our bifolds, that's snap, and again this one here is alligator accented here. Then we have the oil tan and offset stitching here.
Now I understand. I mean, I get where you can get the alligators, but where are you catching an ostrich? That's what I want.
Well, you know, you have to have a little bit of a scooter to get up with them because they are fast.
I hear they're fast.
Yeah, they are very fast. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then one of the new things we just did, I've never done before, is guitar straps.
Nice.
So we had a friend of ours.
Big wide strap.
Yeah, that's a 3.5-inch strap. This was a custom one we made for a friend of ours. And so he's getting that on Monday. But yeah, so I mean, we're doing all types of fun stuff in the shop now that we have a brick and mortar up in Leavenworth. We even have for Black Friday, we're doing some leather Christmas stockings.
Those are cool.
Yeah, so I mean, we can customize anything you think of it. We can build it. Just give us a call. I mean, we are with our shoulder holsters and stuff, so we just have branched out a little bit.
Yeah, and I mean, as always, we've got the holsters.
Oh yeah, got the holsters too.
I threw a link down below to Celtic Holsters. Be sure to check that out if you want to know more stuff. And Scott,
brother, thanks so much. It's always good to see you.
Great seeing you at the show, man. And yeah, that's going to do it for this one. If you want to see more stuff from the show, probably got a video linked right over here. But hey, until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.
Yep. Thanks, guys.